I am going to show you how to make a chicken roast. As I told you, I have taken half a chicken without skin I have taken. Then I will use the water. Then I will use, mainly I need salt. No, salt is very important. Then we use pepper. Then I use turmeric also. These three things I have used. If I want, I can use a little chili powder, but I don't want to use a lot, but just I can put a little if you want to. Right? Still, now I am going to slowly on the cooker. Once I on the cooker, 5 spice, cinnamon powder, very important. I need the nutmeg. Then and there you have to don't grate and keep it. Then and there you grate it so that it will be very, very nice. Flavor comes when you grate it at that time. I am going to use coriander leaves, mint leaves. Coriander leaves and mint leaves. Mainly I am going to use into this. So my chicken is going to be very, very tasty. Then I am going to use a little onions also. I will use it. Right? Shredded onions. So what do you think all this putting and boiling my chicken? When it boiled, you can see inside nicely it gets cooked and boiled and nice. After that, if I bake it or roast it, won't be a problem. Within an hour, I can roast and take it, right? Or I can bake and take it. Now what I am going to do is, I will off the cooker. Chicken is nicely, it's cooked. You can see inside it's cooked. So either chicken or any meat you like, please do like this. It's so nice, so tasty, I would say, right? Okay, now this chicken is here. Now what I am going to do now, the stock which I have, I will strain and keep it separately without those leaves and onions and all that. I'll take the stock and keep it separately, right? See, I will make a sauce for you. This is going to be very tasty, so we will keep that also. Okay, I'm going to use the sauces. Soy sauce, teriyaki sauce, all about a tablespoon. If the chicken is big, 1.5 tablespoon, right? Teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, and tomato sauce or the paste. Either sauce or the paste, you can take it, right? I want to show you how to prepare a nice preparation, right? So that you will enjoy preparing these type of preparation. Now again, I will put a little 5 spice, a little. Already we have in that, so we don't need, right? All that we will put. Now 3 sauces I have put. A little cinnamon, 5 spice I have put. Now I will use salt, right? Chili powder, a little, and a little turmeric, and a little pepper. That is all. I am just putting a little of everything, but actually we have to use accordingly. If the whole chicken, whole turkey, if you are doing, almost seasoning put, right? That is left to you. Now we will leave that aside. Brush. This is done on the 24th night if it is for Christmas. Any time you can do. Why do you want to wait for Christmas? Any time we can do all these preparation, isn't it? Yes, it's so delicious, so nice, so tasty. I need a little bit of oil. Otherwise you can't roast it. Roasting won't be nice. Now I am going to bake this. As I told you, whole chicken or turkey, you can bake it like this. Now I have the balance sauce, which you can use it later on halfway through. Now we have to bake it. What did I say? 200 centigrades, 400 Fahrenheit. Bake it for 1 hour. When you are baking, if you find that it's getting a little too dark, and if you don't want too much of roasting, reduce halfway through to 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit, and we bake and take it. Now I have roasted the chicken. We will nicely assemble and decorate it. We'll see how we are going to decorate it. The decoration that I am going to do, and I have the sauce which I have kept it. We took the water, that's going to be the sauce. So we will decorate that and we'll make the sauce also. Now I put the stock here. Now watch carefully what I am going to use. I will boil this for a while. And I have kept half of it. So now into the half, I will add corn flour 1.5 teaspoon, mustard cream about 1 teaspoon. I need a little tomato paste. Stock is boiling. In the stock, all the seasoning is there. Like seasoning, when I say, all what we need, salt and pepper and all that is there in this. So we don't need any of those. Now you can see it's not getting that thickened. If you want, you can thicken a little more, because I am going to put something else also. So I put a little more water because I want the sauce to be a little thicker than this. I have an idea, that's why. Half a teaspoon of corn flour, again I put half a teaspoon corn flour with a little water so that it will get thickened soon. So we'll see how we are going to do it. So I'm going to add the olive oil. A little olive oil I'll put. Gives about a dessert spoon of olive oil I have used. After offing the cooker only, not while it was on heat. Then I am going to add yogurt. That's why I wanted to make it a little more thicker, so that I will have. Now you can see how I am preparing for you. You know that it has to be tasty. Whatever we prepare, whatever we do, it has to be nice and thick, nice and tasty. Now I am ready for my decoration. I have got some apples. The combination is very good, that's why I am using this. Then I have got some nice grapes in all colors. Are you getting the feeling? Yes, Christmas feeling, you get seasonal feeling. Right, now I have put all this. going to decorate also. We'll use a little and keep the balance. Later when you are serving, you can have it. Okay, and a little bit of parsley. This is the chicken roast. I have done it for you. Now my chicken roast is done. Nicely I have decorated with fruits, mainly with fruits and iceberg lettuce, and we have the sauce. All that is done. It's a full meal. Oh, what about the full meal? When I say the meal, you can't just have it, no? Roast. We have to have the bun, which I have already buttered, mustard cream put and baked and taken. So, serve a full meal for the season. So, now what we are going to do is, right, on the celebration day, from the 25th to the 6th of January, we celebrate the season. It's a season, okay? So, we will celebrate the season like that. So, nice to have all my Christmas cakes. My cakes are delicious, so you can have it, my Christmas cakes, right? So, we first give the cake. That is, you have to be giving the cake at the beginning. Then I have the wine. I have already done wine for you. The wine is there. So we give the wine, cake and the wine. After the cake and the wine, what do we give? Grapes and cheese. Goes very well. Grapes and cheese. Give that also. So that is so nice for us. After that, we can have the meal. You know, when you have the meal, what and what we need. I have already kept the plate for you, and if you want, you can have a soup also with this. A soup also goes very well, so you can have a soup also. Along with that, there are bonbons kept on either side. Each person will have a bonbon, and with the next person, you break the bonbon, hold it and tightly break the bonbon. Don't have a toffee or a, any other whistle or anything, but you have to have a real ornament or whatever you want to give for that person. You keep it so that you break it and we can see who is lucky, either that person or me lucky. And that's the bonbon that we try it out. So it's an enjoyable day. So you too can enjoy the Christmas, right? But Christmas is God's birthday. So remember that and enjoy your feelings and the atmosphere and the whole house. Thank you for watching and wish you all a happy Christmas once again.